Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to look at skew lines, and we have to ask ourselves, what are skew lines? Skew lines are lines that do not meet and are not parallel. Now skew lines, they are on different planes. And how can we get the angle between skew lines? The angle between skew lines can be found by translating one of the lines to the plane containing the other line. Now, so let us consider this figure below. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, and then we have line B, F. So in this figure, we have two lines that are skew lines. For example, we have line BF and line AD. So if these two lines are skew lines, why are we saying so? Because they are not meeting, and as you can see, they are not parallel. We said skew lines lie on different planes. Line BF is on the plane BCEF, while line AD is on the plane ADFE. Now let us see how we can find the angle between skew lines. So what we need to do first is we have to translate line AD to EF. Okay, so when we translate line AD to EF, now the line EF will be in contact with BF at F. So the angle between the two lines will now be angle BFE, and that is the angle required, or the angle between the skew lines. Now, how can we get that angle now? Here we have BFE. So the angle required is angle F. So how can we get angle F? So to get BF, we first have to get line BD. First have to get line BD. And how can we get BD? As you can see, the base plane ABCD is a rectangle, so it is 90 at C. So BD now becomes hypotenuse. So here we have B, here we have D, and then here we have C. So it is 90 at point C. But we know that BC is 40, and then CD, which is equals to AB, is 30 degrees. So from there now to get BD, we can use Pythagoras Theorem. So to get PD, it will be equal to the square root of 40 squared plus 30 squared. So square root of 40 squared, that is 1600, plus 30 squared, that is 900. When you add 1600 plus 900, you are going to get 2500, and the square root of 2500 will be 50. So BD will be 50 centimeters. Now once you get PD and you are looking for BF and you have DF, then you can also use Pythagoras Theorem. So here we have BF. So DF will be equals to AE, which is 30, and BD we have already found, which is 50. So from here now we can get FB by using Pythagoras Theorem. So FB will be equal to square root of 30 squared plus 50 squared. 30 squared, that is 900. 50 squared, that will be 2500. When you add to the 9000 plus 900 plus 2500, we are going to get 3400. So therefore BF will be equal to square root of 3,400. Do we have EF? EF is equal to BC, which is 40 centimeters. Therefore, EF is 40 centimeters. Now, what is remaining? We don't have EB. Can we get EB? Because here we have a right angle triangle BE. Okay, we have right angle BE. So therefore, AB is 30 centimeters. AE is also 30 centimeters. So we use Pythagoras Theorem to find EB. Square root of 30 squared plus 30 squared. Square root of 30 squared, that is 900. Square root of 30 squared, 30 squared will be 900 also. So the square root of 900 plus 900, that will be 1,800. So therefore, EB will be equals to square root of 1,800. Now, since we have all the sides of the triangle, to get this angle, we can use cosine rule, which is the side opposite to F, angle F. So we have F squared should be equals to E squared plus B squared minus 2EB cos theta. F squared, that is the side opposite to angle F, which is square root of 1,800 squared. The side opposite to angle E, square root of 3,400 squared, plus the side opposite to angle B, that is 40 squared, minus 2 times E, and E is square root of 3,400, B, that is 40 cos theta. So when you find the square root of 1,800 squared, you are going to get 1,800 to be equals to 3,400 plus 1,600 minus 2 times 58.31, that is the square root of 3,400 times 40 cos theta. So here now we have 1,800 should be equals to, when you add 3,400 plus 1,600, you are going to get 5,000 minus 2 times 58.31 times 40, you are going to get 4,664.8 cos theta. So let's collect like terms together. We have 4,664.8 cos theta should be equals to 5,000 minus 1,800. Therefore, 4,664.8 cos theta. When you subtract 5,000 minus 1,800, you are going to get 3,200. So to get cos theta, we have to divide 4,664.8 both sides. 4,664.8. So therefore, cos theta will be equals to, when you divide 3,200 divide by 4,664, you're going to get 0.6854. So to get theta, then you have to look for cos inverse of 0.6854. So theta should be equals to 46.69 degrees. So that is the angle between the skew lines BF and the line AD. So that's how you see the end of dimensional geometry. Thank you very much, and God bless you.